Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Ford F250 taillight. First, you will need to gather a few simple tools, primarily a Phillips head screwdriver and your new tail light assembly. Before you begin, always ensure your truck is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for your safety. Then, open the tailgate to easily access the two retaining screws that hold the tail light housing in place. Once your tools are ready, use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove the two screws you just located. After the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back from the truck's body. It might feel a little snug, but a firm, steady pull should release it. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the small release tab and pulling the two halves apart. Now take your new tail light assembly and connect its electrical connector. Make sure you hear a distinct click, indicating a secure connection. Carefully align the new tail light assembly with the mounting holes on your truck's body. Once aligned, push the assembly firmly into place until it sits completely flush against the truck. This ensures a proper fit and prevents any wobbling. To finish up, reinsert the two Phillips head screws you removed earlier and tighten them securely. Be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the plastic housing. Once everything is fastened, close your tailgate. Now, turn on your vehicle's lights and test all the functions of your new tail light, including the brake lights, turn signals, and reverse lights, to ensure everything is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.